Hi my friend, in this video we're gonna learn some techniques that you probably gonna need it when you wanted to build some logo shots. Now I use the image object, click and drag in the preview window. Usually the last used image will be shown directly, but now I use the browse button to select the one I needed. Click open. Now you can see the picture, an image is imported. Now there is a function, very useful one. It is called original size. As I click it, you can see the position of the image directly go to the top left corner, and the image will be displayed in its original size. And there's another one, display quality. You can choose the low, medium, and high. Although of course you cannot see the big differences here. And then there is a function called rotation. You can use this tool to instead of typing in numbers, to give it a degree. Okay, you can see as I click the tool and the picture rotate a little bit. Of course you can also type in the exact numbers. Then we go to this function, another one, change upside down. As you check this box, you can see the picture flip upside down. And the next one, and the one next to it is change left to right. It's a very easy and quick function for you to adjust it. You don't need to bring up Photoshop something. And the last one is actually you can consider as a flag. As you check this button, the picture will be like a flag caught in the wind. I deselect it, and then there's a few more left, and there's channel file. This is a very useful function when you wanted to decorate the picture in a simple way. As you click the channel file, you can see the border of the picture is a little bit different and it's nicer. And there's another one. And actually we prepared lots of them. Now we'll try another one. You see, it's fantastic. I think very easy for you to use. To create a logo, sometimes you might want to use a polygon. Select the polygon object and move to the preview channel. Click and drag, and there it is. A rectangle shows up. But rectangle is not all about the polygon, so there are even more options like triangle and star, and there are even more options in the last one. And you can see here lots of them in the drop down list. I would like to choose a house. Yeah, I prefer this one. And here there's a square button. As I click this one, you can see the height and width will be equal once again. And just like the titles, I can select the color for it. And there are 4 kinds of colors. I'll go to the palette tape and choose the face color. I'll pick this one. Okay. And there's the H color. I choose another one. Okay, you see the differences? And sometimes you may want to use the cylinder. So let me show you how to use it. Choose the cylinder object and go to the preview window. Click and drag. Okay, you see we've got cylinder. I use the rotate tool, and then a toolbar appears from 3 dimensions, and I can rotate it into a different angle. Here are several parameters, and this one is about the outer radius of the upside. And I can type in the number. You see the differences? The upside has been changed. And I want to go further. I want to shrink it to 0 and see what happened. Yeah, it goes into a corn. yeah, with a very sharp pointing. Then let's give it some texture. I'll select the face one, and see now the face one is selected. And here I go to this texture browse button. I'll choose one picture and click open. And see now, that picture we selected has now been applied on the surface of the column. And I'll go to phase 2. Phase 2 is bottom. And I click the browse button again and choose the other one. Okay, it's a weather report icon, whatever. But now you see the bottom is really dark. There's no light, so we cannot tell what's the bottom looks like. So I go to the light tape and do some adjusting to the light. Right now I enhance the degree, and see, yeah, the upside is even more brighter. And I will change the other one to distance. As I go nearer, you can see the little differences in the bottom. You can see right now you can see something. And I will change the direction of the light. You can right, perfect. Now you can see everything clear now. And now I'll change it from the other direction. Okay, so now it's perfect. It looks like a vanilla ice cream cone.